guys, it's already day 5 of Cycling Ambassador of Slovenia, and today, guess what? We're not going to cycle. We go on a river, it's called Soča River. We had to get in a wetsuit, it was really hard to get in. The rafting ambassadors were a team and we could really feel it because we had to be all together and we rafted all together, and this was really a great experience. The rafting guide was warning us that we might fall into the water, and I was really scared. So we didn't fall into the water, but we wanted to try, so we just jumped in and it was really nice. We didn't feel the cold because we had the wetsuit on, but we felt the stream and sometimes it was really strong. The whole experience of Soča Valley rafting was really nice, really good, because we were a team, we were wet and the sun was shining. It's just perfect.